Hello dear friends, welcome back to our English class. Today once again I am here to teach you a new lesson. So dear friends, today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is announcements. Right? So dear students, in our daily life on different occasions we are getting different type of announcements. For example, in our school also, from the assembly time or from the beginning of school time or up to end time, we are getting different type of announcements. So students, today we have to learn about these announcements. What is meant by announcement? Why it is important? How announcements are made? These all things we will learn through this lesson. So student, let's begin our lesson. So student, first of all we have to know what is meant by announcement. So student, announcement is a small and short declaration about upcoming event. As you know that announcements are made in short and small format, means within 3 to 4 lines the announcement is completed, and these announcements tell us about an important information. Means announcements are giving us important information which is helpful for us. Second thing we have to know about the announcement, that announcements can be written or spoken. Right? Means sometimes by speaking also the principal or the head of the school is doing an announcement, or sometime the announcements are also published on the notice boards. Like this, sometime local government bodies like Gram Panchayat, municipal council or municipal corporation is also doing the same way. Sometime they are making announcements in written form, means they are making hoardings and they are showing them on the public places. In other way, with the help of auto rickshaw, they are also making announcements regarding water supply problem, any hygiene problem or any emergencies there. So at that time, in this way the local government bodies are also doing the announcements. Right? So here we have to mind that announcements can be in written form or in oral form. Right? Second thing we have to know about the announcement, that announcements can be live or recorded. Right? Sometime on this course also announcements we are doing. So such announcements are known as live announcements, or sometime we are doing recorded announcements. Means one person is doing the announcement and that announcement is recorded. So such announcement is known as recorded announcements. Okay? So therefore announcements may be live or recorded. And at last we have to know that announcement tell us about what, when, why, where. Right? So these all things we have to know about the announcement. So students, in this way we learn the general information about the announcements. Now we have to study about the announcements. So dear students, on your page number 14, the examples of the announcements are given. So you can see the first announcement on your screen. So students, the first announcement is that it has been observed by the head boy and the head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. So student, in these announcements we have to read 4 elements, that is what, who, when, where. So first element is that what. So here we are getting answer that detention of the students. Second element is who. So we are getting answer students of the particular class. Third element is where. So its answer is in classrooms. So the fourth element is when. So its answer is after 4 p.m. in school. So in this announcement, the announcement is made by head of the school that the head boy and head girl notice that some classes are not aware about the cleanliness of their classrooms. So if they continue this, so these class students are detained after the school up to 4 p.m. and they have to clean up their classes. So like this. Now we have to see another announcement. So you can see that announcement on your screen. So tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, school will be closed an hour earlier as the teachers have to attend an important parent-teacher association meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. So students, in the second announcement, there is a general instruction given to the students that tomorrow on 10th of July, the school will be closed earlier because the teachers has to attend the important parent-teacher association meeting. So students has to inform their parents that they have to pick up their children at 2 p.m. means at 2 o'clock instead of regular time, which is 3 o'clock or 3 p.m. Right? So like this is also an example of announcement. So students, here we studied about the importance of announcement. We also came to know how announcements are made up and how they are declared. So here I am going to give you some examples of announcements that we have to study with the help of different type of elements, that is what, who, where, when, how, like this. Okay, so students, in this way today we learn an important lesson, that is announcement. I hope you understand this. Okay, thank you.